My name is Todd Brown. I'm one of the co-founders of Next Action Associates. My topic for today is what happens in advanced GTD seminars. Many of you have probably been, maybe you've been coached, or maybe you've been along to a level 1 seminar, what we call the fundamentals seminar. And my goal today is just to talk you through, okay, what would the journey be from there? Right. So if you wanted to go further, if you wanted to go more deeply into the methodology to refine your own practice, to understand how you could enable GTD behaviors and system thinking in ways that would help you to operate in a stress-free way, of course, but also to achieve and maintain the things in your life which are important to you. And that's kind of my goal today. Quick overview of the advanced level seminar. So level 1 is the fundamental seminar, again, the most popular of our seminars, and we do those, as you might imagine, quite a lot. We do them both live and virtual formats. But we also have two other seminars. We've got a level 2 seminar, which, as you can see there, is called Projects and Priorities. A way to think maybe about the level 2 seminar is in contrast to the level 1 seminar. The level 1 seminar is primarily about control. It's about, how do I get control of what's coming at me? How can I make sure that, as whether they're social media posts or Slack posts or emails or whatever they are, how can I make sure that as the world comes at me, I'm able to deal with that in a productive way? Okay, so it's mostly about control and stability. Level 2 bumps us up a bit and starts to ask some of the bigger questions about perspective. So there's a lot of focus in the level 2 seminar on projects in particular, not just projects per se, but also how can I make sure that my projects list is complete? How can I think about projects that are not, that are quite large, that have maybe a lot more moving parts than get a new mobile phone or something that might be fairly easily handled. So the level 2 seminar is as I say, it's a bit more about the more strategic, the more long term. And then in level 3, it all comes together. And in level 3, what we're talking about is, okay, how can I, as I make my way through my world, how can I make sure that I am, that as things occur to me that are important, or as things are imposed on me that are important to maintain or to achieve, that I'm able to make those things happen in the most effective ways.